Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to recreate or attempt to recreate the Naomi Campbell makeup look. As you guys see, this is what I look like. So if you guys want to see how I got to this, because it was not easy, there was some bumps and roads, but if you want to see how I got to this look, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. And yeah, let's get into it right now.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a Campbell. You don't really know you.
I did my brows and stuff off camera because my brows always take the longest and I don't know why, and my lips look dry. Hold on. Yeah, I do my brows off camera because brows take the longest sometimes. I'm gonna try this Jason Wu Ready Set Matte powder. I did my brows and I did the concealer. I'm gonna set my eyelids now so I can start on the eyeshadow. If I could get this powder open. Good God. Oh, you see the dust coming up already? Powder is so messy. I've never tried this powder, so that's really why I wanted to do this look, because I have so many products that I've never tried and I want to try this look, so it's like a 2-for-1, you know, a 2-for-1 special. Okay, powder. You guys see the dust? Gonna take a little powder puff. Lightly set the concealer over my eyes. I'm gonna set the concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with this palette. It's the 18 CT Matte Essentials palette by Morphe. I got some new brushes I want to try. But so this is the makeup look. I will be trying to do this Naomi Campbell makeup look. It has some browns, some blacks, some lighter browns. So I'm gonna start with the black first and carve that out. I don't have that much eyelid room, so I have to make do with what I got. I'm gonna go on with this black right here. And see, I'm not the best with eyeshadow, so I like to do these eyeshadow looks because I need to, you know, work on my craft a little bit. I see. Hopefully I'm doing this right. I'm not a big fan of black shadow. I don't like how it looks on me personally. I'm committed to the look, so we're gonna try. There we go. That's cute, right? That is so I could just sketch out the base of my black. Now let's do the brown. It seems like a chocolate brown. Oh, I don't think this is nice. No, I need to get another palette. Hold on, because this brown is not chocolate. It's too dark. I need a chocolate brown, so I'm gonna get another palette. Give me a second. All right, so I went and I got another palette. This is the 35 MI Magic Mirror Morphe palette. I'm about to go on with this brown here. It's like a chocolate brown because that's what the look calls for, in my opinion. It's not like it tells me what products was used. There is no tutorial. There's nobody telling me what to do or how to do it. I'm trying to make the best out of it. This looks really sloppy and ugly now. I filled up my container with micellar water. I'll take a Q-tip, dip the Q-tip in there. My eyes, this micellar water makes my eyes water, so let me stop messing with my eyes. This don't look nothing like what the fuck she got going on, but I'm gonna commit to the. I don't like this little light effect. I don't like this. I don't like this black. It's not nothing else. I don't like the damn black. I don't know about y'all. I don't like this black. So let me tell you what I'm about to do. I'm not about to take it off, but I'm about to go over it. I don't like it. I like this a little better. I do not like the black, and I've said that before. I don't like black eyeshadow on me. It's just too harsh. It's not my favorite. And now I'm about to go over this eye. About to cut this crease. Or should I say attempt to cut the crease. I know the 2016 girlies who been doing makeup is like, girl, what are you doing? I'm so sorry. Sitting here talking to my damn self or talking myself through this, Lord, because as a person who is not good with eyeshadow, my anxiety is through the roof right now. This eye looks so different. I'm gonna have to go back in. I look like a Temu version of Naomi Campbell, but it's cool. Okay, I think the eye is about done. Yeah, it's about as done as it's gonna be. I'll go back and fix it in the end, but let me get my base together. I put primer on already, but since I wiped some of it off, I'm gonna fix it. I'm using Beauty Supply Store makeup, by the way. I know I look like muddy and crazy. I want to make sure every place is covered. I like this foundation from the Beauty Supply Store. I will be going to get another one. This is the Ruby Kisses 415. Nice, even, buttery, cute. 8. I'm going to use 07. I'm going to use this Kimchi. It's called Kimchi Lip and Cheeks set. Let's see. This is in the shade 03 Doll, which is cute. Let's try. Like I said, I wanted to try a bunch of different makeup. I like to take my blush all the way up my face. Mind you, I'm gonna put concealer over this, so I like this blush. Okay, this is nice. This kimchi key, I like this. Might have to go pick me up another one of those. Like that. All right, now I'm gonna go on with my beauty supply store foundation. I mean concealer in 07 by NK. It's $2.99. And a little goes a long way. I heard somebody say like, oh, the 2016 girlies ate with like the concealer placement or something like that. But my thing is like, wait, I've always done my makeup like that. Well, were you doing our makeup any different? But I wasn't a 2016 makeup girly, but those were the girls that I looked up to. I don't learn how to do my makeup until like 2022. But those were the girls that I looked up to. Like those was the girls that taught me everything I knew, the 2016, the 2015, the 2014 girlies. So I've always just stuck with what I know. I don't know, am I missing something? I'm gonna let this sit for a second. You see how flawless that blends? Don't sleep on beauty supply store makeup. If you don't got it, or if you're just starting out, go to the beauty supply store. I always say this, go to the beauty supply store, go to the drugstore. You see how flawless this blends? And that concealer was $2.99. That's it, in number 7. Don't sleep on the beauty supply store, y'all. All right, now let's bake. I just sprayed some I would never buy another one of these sets that you get from like Marshalls and TJ Maxx because they just come apart so easy. Like Real Techniques brushes, these Real Technique brushes to the fucking end. I did my brows in the beginning just to fuck my brows up. Now I have to redo my brows. I like this Jason Wu Ready Set matte powder. I like this. I cleaned up like my lashes and I threw away a lot of them, so I don't really have lashes on hand like that. Of course I get mascara on my nose. I should leave it there and leave that as a mole, huh? I look cute. I look cute. Okay. I used an eyeliner for my waterline, so hopefully that works. I don't know. I'm on my lips already. I don't think I did the look perfectly. I think I got close, but not that close. When it comes to her lips, it looked like this shimmery nude. I don't have shimmer. So this is the closest that I feel like I'm gonna get. My camera always about to die, but I have been doing my makeup for over an hour, so take this brush and I'm gonna put some shimmer from this palette right here on my lips. Okay, y'all, so my camera died, but as you guys saw, I was making my own little lip combo using some eyeshadow. But this is what it looks like. This is the final look. It doesn't look exactly like her. I don't know why it's not focusing. It doesn't look exactly like hers. It looks a little muddy, but it doesn't like have as much definition as hers do, but it's doable. Okay, I think I give myself a good 7.58. Why? Because there's not much definition in the eye. I don't know why it's not showing, like it's blurry, but there's not a lot of definition. But I did that on purpose because I don't like black, and where it's defined in her eye is black shadow, and I don't like black shadow. My lip combo is a little off. I don't have the exact lip product that she did, so I take some points off of that. But I think I did okay. I think I did pretty okay. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. And I love doing this because, like I said, I'm not the best at eye looks. So this is just testing my abilities and, you know, just making me work harder. So I'm not mad at it. But yeah, this is it. This is all. I don't have lashes on. She had lashes at the end of her. I don't have no lashes. So that's why I had to take points off of that. So that's why I give myself like a 7.5 or 8. But yeah, this is it. It's all flawless. Don't sleep on beauty supply store makeup because you can definitely execute the look. But yeah, that's it. That's all. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being here. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.